comfortable in here.
Yeah.
Stage is going to be a breeze because you're going to just be able to blow it out, yeah? But stay really up and try to get that nice first arabesque in the air as much as you can. And the back arm's up, right? So making sure that you're facing it, yeah? And what happens, especially this one, and that's the hardest one, is that you go shoulder, then leg, right? It's got to go all at the same time as you go. There! Keep nice and straight. Woo! Yes! It's all there, right? It's all there. You have it. You do, right? The ability is there, the strength is getting there, the consistency we're working on, but that's getting there. But so much of that comes from the placement. Are you setting yourself up right? Because when you do, sister, it's so much fun to watch. I just enjoy it.